Nice.
Alright, we are live. I think so. Let me just make sure that we're live. Oh, Dada's first, and nobody says, go, go, vloggy power! Welcome, you are first. So here's what I'm gonna do. I feel like playing some old arcade machines, and I decided to compile a list of all the games that I used to play when I was a kid. And I want to see how far I get with just one coin, like back in the day. I used to have just one coin for the one game that I like. And I used to get really far back in my day. I was really good at video games. I used to get very far. And people wouldn't believe how far I got with just one coin, and people would gather around me. It's like, they've never seen this level before. Let's see if I still got it. Alright, I'm just gonna go through the list of all the games that I used to play back in the day. Ah, man, those were the days. Let me see if I can squeeze chat in something like this, so that I can see chat whilst playing. Something like this. How is everyone doing? So the first game, as you can see, is gonna be Konami's... Can you believe that Konami made an Asterix game back in the day? Yeah. Let me just make sure everything's fine, and my volume and stuff. Yeah, looks fantastic. What I'm gonna do is, let's see, something like this. Alright, whatever. Okay, let's go. Alright, man. Let's see. I'm just gonna play with one coin, and we'll see how far I'll get with just one coin. That's how it's going to be. One coin. Yoo-hoo! Let's see. I don't know how long this stream is gonna be, but I don't know. We'll see. I always chose Asterix. Oh man, this game. I'm gonna start punching some Romans. Oh man, I gotta love that slap. Oh man, the best arcades for me were as European. Sorry, hold on. The best arcades for me as a European were the ones where you had to use the gun to shoot. No, I don't like those actually. I didn't like it. I like these side scrollers. I loved side scrollers so much. And that's the thing. I mean, I'm gonna get some people here in the chat saying, oh, that game. Seriously, you never played that game? But if we never got it in my country, I can't say it was one of my favorites, you know? Somebody's behind the stream because it's very obvious. She's gonna give me a kiss. Wow, 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 wow. There's so many attacks for this game. I used to have a crush on that girl. Her name was Falbala or something? I don't know. That's Roman Centurion or something. I used to play Asterix and Obelix game. They are invented my... Are you sure it's Belgian? I'm not gonna argue with that. I thought it was French though. I thought it was French. Oh no, I lost a life already. That's not gonna last. This is not one of the games that I used to beat. I love his casual slapping. I think he could swing on the vines as well, if I remember correctly. I'm not sure how. Uh-oh. I should not waste time. I thought Asterix was French. Let me just take the potion. Dogmatics, come on, quickly. There we go. You collect the helmets? Oh, come on, dude! Are you kidding me? Oh man, 2 lives down already. I won't be playing this game for long. Ah, come on, dude, I was slapping! It's French, isn't it? Yeah, I have the comic books, but they were in English. Obviously, they're translated. I loved Asterix when I was a kid. I'm not a fan of the movies. I'm a fan of the... I'm a fan of the cartoons, you know, this, and the game. This was like the best game they made. I've bought so many games for the PlayStation, but they're nothing compared to this. This is the best. Alright, now that comes the boss fight, and I'm almost dead, so I don't think I'm gonna beat the boss. They're crazy! Alright, let's see. Come on, come on. Nope, nope, don't take the aim. Come on, come on. That's it, rip. No, I'm not of the fan of the movies, no. The cartoons were amazing. Very, incredibly cheesy, but they were so good. They were so good, man. And I have some of the comics. Each time I go to Comic-Con, I buy one of Asterix, always. So I've got like 5 or 6 now. I buy one every year. Maybe one day I'll get all of them. I'm gonna take a sip of wine and we're gonna play the next game. Lego reviews. Welcome to the stream. Lol. Hello to you too. Gonna take a sip of wine and then I'm gonna switch the game. I'm not very good at this one, but there's gonna be some games that I'm really good at. I'm gonna impress you. Alright, switching games. Well, this one is something. Donkey Kong. Do you guys remember Donkey Kong? The layout of the game is gonna be a bit iffy, but we'll see what we can do. Let's put 1 coin in and let's go. Sorry about the layout, it doesn't fit exactly the arcade machine, but... Let's see how far I can get. Did you guys know that his name was not Mario back then? He was just Jumpman? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm not gonna do the hammer thing. I don't need to do the hammer thing, I just want to get up there. No! God dang it, I thought he was gonna take the... I love the sounds he makes when we was walking. Alright. Come on, come on, come on, come on! No! Oh my goodness, I don't know how I did that. Dodo out. You're leaving us, buddy? But I love you, man. Thank you so much for hanging out, buddy. Take care. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm gonna do it. What is this? What is this? I don't know, but it didn't give me any points. Come on, come on, come on. God dang it. Stop coming, you stupid barrels. God dang it! Oh my goodness. I don't think I'm gonna get that very high. God dang it. I mean, I can get high. I can get high, but not in this game. He wouldn't stop throwing barrels, god dang it. I didn't think... Let's see... Whoo! Oh my goodness, in reverse. He's gonna keep throwing barrels? Stop throwing barrels, god dang it! We did it. We got really high. $50 meters. Alright, so... I need to collect everything. These... Oh, come on, man. Oh, seriously, dude? Oh, come on, I was surrounded. This is not my favorite game, but I had to include it in the list. Game over. Alright, bye, have a great time. I don't care about this game. Ghosts and Goblins. Oh my goodness, one of the hardest games in the world. Oh, man. Are you guys ready for this? Man. Let's see. 1 coin? Let's go. You came at the right time, cheer! This is a Capcom game, would you believe it? This is a Capcom game. And they never did anything with the franchise. God dang it. Last time we've seen Arthur was actually in Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite. This is Arthur. Iron Man tells him, nice stick, Sir Lancelot. Compensating for something? That's what Iron Man tells him. No. Let's see. How are you, cheer? Man, this game is very hard, so even if I make it to level 2, it's gonna be an accomplishment, okay? Alright. There's gonna be the demon here. I know a secret, I know an Easter egg secret here. Let me show you real quick. Like this, look at this. If you keep hitting this gravestone... I killed them, but I turned me into a frog. Blah, blah. It does nothing, it really does nothing. You don't have attacks or anything. You just need to turn back to human and then we continue. It was just a little Easter egg. I don't know if I'm gonna do this. This is incredibly cheap. I don't know how you defeat this guy over here. Alright, here we go. This guy's impossible! God dang it! Oh, it's impossible! The way he flies around and he just... It's so cheap, his attacks. God dang it! Am I not gonna make it? It's so hard, man. You need to get the knife in this game. You need to get the knife. I need to get the knife, but the knife is impossible to get. I mean, it's not impossible, but it's incredibly difficult. So this could be Capcom's first zombie game, when you think about it. Come on. Oh, wow, I did it! I've never done it without taking any damage. Never. This is the first time ever, so guys... I want to read that comment, but it's very long, and this game is timed, so I'll check it out later. Sorry. Oh. They keep respawning, so you need to be careful. You need to move forward, otherwise they'll keep respawning. Now, I like these. I call these the hot dogs. Thank you so much for hanging out, nobody. Have a good day or something. Oh, man. Inferno! Ah! Oh, my goodness! Oh my goodness, I made it this far! This is what might have started Pantsless Gaming. This might have started my gaming. Back in my day, I put so much quarters, so many quarters in. Let me just tell you something about... Oh, come on, dude! Are you kidding? Oh! I said I'd be playing only with 1 coin. I said I'd be playing only with 1 coin, so... There was this one time, I was playing this arcade machine, this very game, Ghosts and Goblins, and the guy wanted to collect the coins, the money out of it, but I was playing, and he's like, sorry dude, I'm gonna have to switch it off, and he switched it off, like right in the middle of my game, It was just the first level, you know, but the guy had no idea how far I got or anything. He just switched it off, and he's like, sorry dude, I gotta collect the coins. And I'm like, I was like, what, 10? And so after he collected the money, I remember him emptying this like box into his sack. And when he was done, he put the 10 cents in. He grabbed it from the other end again. He put it in. He grabbed it again. He put it like, I don't know, like 15 times. Putting in, back in, back in, back in. So it kept retrieving it from the bottom again. And he gave me like 15 credits. He's like, here you go for the trouble. I'm like, whoa, 15 credits, I'm gonna beat the game. No, I made it to level 2 with 15 credits. Man, this game was tough. I had 15 continues. And I made it to level 2 with 15 continues. I'll never forget that. Man. Alright, so let's go for the next one. Oh, Golden X. Ugh, this game. I don't like this game. But it's part of my childhood, so we're gonna have to play it. You always suck. No, I'm gonna show you the games that I'm really good at. I'm gonna show you. I still haven't encountered the games that I'm good at. Oh, I put in 2 credits by mistake. I guess. This guy looks like me, kind of. You know, his height. Stop beating him, Alex! What has happened? His Majesty and the Prince have been taken to. Oh my goodness, I can't read. You know what I like about this game? When they die, they don't disappear. They're still dead, you see, but they're part of the background now. This game was by Sega, if I'm not mistaken. But this game was really stiff, the controls. I don't know why I even liked this game. But back in the day, we weren't picky with games. We thought it was awesome back in the day. Stop kicking him! Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby, look at my horse. My horse is amazing. Well, I mean, back in the day we did care about graphics, yes. I think all I cared about was graphics, actually. This didn't look bad as a game, you know? But I didn't care about the controls. I always thought I was the one playing bad, you know what I mean? Time to do some magic! That's why I gathered those. I used to love doing this. Okay. Uh-oh. I love how they laugh. I actually grabbed him and threw him. Look at that. I used to put a lot of money in this game as well. I'm only gonna be playing the games that I've put a lot of money into when I was a kid. All right. Just remember the songs. Back when a sequel had better graphics than the game, though it was the same machine. Exactly. To Turtle Village. Let's see how far I'm gonna get with 1 coin. 1 coin. We're still gonna play with 1 coin, even though. Ah! Oh. I used to love doing that. These. No! I fell off! Oh my goodness! That's it, Rip. Oh my goodness, man! That's it, I fell off the ledge. I couldn't see that. I couldn't see that I was gonna fall. Rail shooter. Everybody loved rail shooter. I was the only guy that didn't love rail shooters. These are the. I always loved side scrollers. I had a thing for. And to this very day, I still love side scrollers when you think about it. The games that I play, like Cuphead, you know. But yeah, I had a love for side scrollers. All right, this is. I'm glad this is over. Actually, something about food. What's he saying? I'm eating foods. Food. That means salad. Food is salad. All right, here's the game that I was really good at. Here we go. Finally, I get to shine now. I get to shine. Here we go. I get to shine now. This is a game that I was really good at. Is it gonna load? There we go. Oh my goodness. This was one of those games that people would gather around. People would be like, whoa, he made it this far. We've never seen this background before. Never seen this level before. You know, 1 credit, let's go. Man, I was really good at this. Let's see if I still got it though.
Mission 1, start. Heavy machine gun.
Crap. Yeah, side scrollers are the best, if you ask me. I don't know. This was one of the games that I used to put a lot of money in as well. Tiny machine gun. I used to say tiny machine gun. In Maltese, like, he gave me a machine gun. Well, we're kids, you know. You wouldn't understand what heavy machine gun means. So yeah, this was one of the games that people used to gather around. They're like, whoa, this guy's good! And this was just with 1 coin. And they're like, yeah, right. Yes, I'm serious! Tiny machine gun. Come on, get up there. No?
Heavy machine gun. Okay.
Yeah, like, yes, like race shooters, like the new thing, so people are like, oh man. I remember not just race shooters, I remember the Terminator one, there was a Terminator one as well. I think there's a guy up there. I think there was a guy up here. I think there's a guy. Oh, I knew it. I'm so good. I can't rescue that guy up there. He stay up there. I can't reach that guy up there. I won't be rescuing him, I guess. Should I try to go get him? Let's see if I can. Yeah, I got him. Okay.
Rocket launcher.
I got him!
Rocket launcher.
Nice. I think I rescued everybody. I think I got that perfect or great. You're great. People right now would be like, whoa, he didn't even lose a life, he made it this far. Back in the day, you know, this was a big thing, being good at video games. I didn't get to your great.
Mission complete.
Let's go. I used to love doing this. Hold on. I used to love doing this. Destroy the flags. I don't know why. You get points for destroying the flags. The clock up here. Look. Even look at the points. They go up when you're destroying the flag. I don't know why. I used to love doing that. Flame shots! 1, 2. No! Baked, not fried! Nice! Oh, this guy. Okay, he got hit. Never mind. There's one thing that puzzles me about the game. What? What puzzles you about this game? This game is perfect. This game is great!
Rocket launcher. Rocket launcher. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you! I know, right? Rocket launcher! Heavy machine gun!
Heavy machine gun.
Tiny machine gun! I used to love doing this as well. Abandon ship! Have a great time! Look at this. He's breathing. He breathes from his mouth. Cheer. He breathes from his mouth.
Shotgun.
Let me see. Does he breathe? You can't see if he opens his mouth.
Thank you.
No! That was so cheap! God dang it! Okay, I don't have a good weapon though now. I'm kind of screwed right now. Okay, I do have a weapon. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Heavy machine gun.
This is not the boss, by the way. There we go. Feels like maybe he's got some gum, I don't know. No, 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 no! Look at that. No! Oh, that was close. Man, the best way to play this game is with the arcade stick though. I want to get one of those with the arcade stick. So man, I can play this in front of my TV with the big arcade stick, so, you know, nostalgia and stuff. Dun, 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 dun. What are you playing with? No, just a PlayStation controller. Crap! Got hit! I'm hit! I hate this part, I hate this part, he's gonna send the bouncy balls! Almost there, bye, have a great time. Alright. Yeah, so I do want to get one of those arcade sticks. I think you got one, Inferno, I think you got one of those, eh? I think you had a Street Fighter one or something? Am I correct? Did I dream it? I want to get one of those. I saw the Pandora's box, you connect the actual controller thing, it's an emulator. Connected to your TV right away. You don't? I thought you did. I thought you had a Street Fighter one. I don't know why. Alright, let's go. Back in the day when I used to get to this stage, people start getting around me. Like, whoa, never seen this level before. Trying to save up. Trying to save ammunition. I remember doing that back in... Oh, yeah, because of this guy. There we go. Come on. There we go. I'm a boss. 6-button gamepad of Street Fighter. I don't know why I thought it was. There we go. Crap! Alright, here we go. Come on! 1, 2. Yeah, this one requires some platform jumping skills. I hate this guy. I used to call... I don't know why, but I used to think this guy was Mr. T. I don't know why. I used to call him Mr. T. And I don't think I'm gonna make this one. I always lose a life here. Go home to your mommy. That's what he says. Go home to your mommy. And then when he dies, he's like, ah, I knew it. I always die here. When I die, he says, see you in hell. See you in hell. He does sound like Mr. T. A bit of the fool. I don't know if it's him. I don't know. It sounds like him though.
Thank you.
I need to get those birds up there. I don't know why, but
Get larger.
there we go. Got the birds. At this point, people would be like, whoa, this guy, dude. And I'd be like, you know what? I only made it here with just 1 coin. I'm like, no way. You see, I was already a speedrunner back in my day. Look at the guy on the toilet. And he went inside him for some reason. Oh, I love this part. This building's gonna collapse. The whole thing's gonna go down. I love this part. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, oh. Check this out. How cool is this? That was awesome. Back in the day, that was something fantastic. Like, look at those graphics. How many is it gonna take? Come on, dude! Alright, there we go. There we go.
Thank you. Okay.
Can I go down? Can I go down? Urgh. No, I can't. I'll just stay up then. Would have been easier if I was up, but whatever. Alright, there we go. I did it. Can I get this guy?
Thank you.
Nice! I can't pick it up, but whatever. Can I? Can I? No, I can't. Alright, let's go. Is it the boss fight? I think it's boss fight. I think it's boss fight time. Almost, almost, almost. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Ah. Alright, almost there.
Thank you.
Now this is not easy, but I know how to do this. If I can destroy just one of them. Alright, one of them is down. Nice. That's how it's done, baby! Oh, I still took damage! God damn. Ah, nice! But I think I lost 2 lives already, did I? I don't know. So I'm running on my last life. I don't know if I'm mistaken, but I think this is the last level. The one after, I mean, the next one is the last level.
Mission complete.
If I'm not mistaken, I think this is this Metal Slug only has like 4 missions. I think Is it? I'm not so sure now.
Mission 4.
Yeah, it's a very long one. This is the last mission. That's a very long one.
Thank you.
How am I gonna get to that? Hold on. That's how it's done, baby.
Thank you.
I collected the man. How cool is that? And they got squished! I love destroying the fan here. There's a fan you destroy it, look. The ceiling fan! The ceiling fan! It's an inside joke for true. They're trying to jump on my metal slug to get me out of there. That's what they'll do. Look at the ceiling fan, true! Oh no, that's bad Google. Let me try if I can get to the machine gun. Come on.
Thank you.
If I destroy those, they will fall off. Hold on. There we go. I won't have to deal with them, you see. Come on, looks like I have to. Ah! Alright, easy now, easy. Maybe I'll just keep going. Uh-oh, second damage. I need to be careful. Keep running, buddy. Keep running, keep running, keep running. Keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running. Keep running! Yes, 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 keep going! No! God dang it! He blew up.
Rocket launcher.
Yes, another metal slug! Awesome. Let's rescue this guy over here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have you guys noticed that when they die, their blood's actually white? It's a censorship. No, no, no! Ooh, nice. This is too hard to just... I'm just gonna keep going. I'm just gonna keep going. Alright, this is not the last boss. No, I was wrong. This is not the last level. This is the one before, so it's only 5. There's a boss fight here. I can do this as well. Come on. There's 2 boss fights. There's like one up and one at the bottom. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright, one of them is down. I need to rescue this guy. I need to rescue them. Come on. Come on, come on. No, no, they got away. Never mind. Yes! Alright, so the next level is the next one then. The last level. You see how far I get with just 1 credit? So the next level is the one where I'm gonna die. And I'm gonna lose the game.
Mission complete.
Don't say that, Vloggy, that's not the spirit. Oh, I still love doing this as well. Destroying the building. You can do this. You can destroy the building. Oh, there we go.
Thank you.
Take the cat. If I get a metal slug here, I think you can squish the cars. Come on, come on. I hope it won't be a cheap death when I die. That's what I hope! Ah! That was not a cheap death. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, GG. GG. Yeah, that's the last level. You see how good I am? Why does it say level 4 at the bottom though? I don't know. And then it goes na 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 na. Game over. Alright, switching games. Do you know what game I'm even better than Metal Slug 1? Metal Slug 3. Oh man, I'm gonna get really far in this one. It was just 1 crit, I hope. I hope. Let's see. One credit. Let's go. And this is actually my character. This is me.
Mission 1. Start.
Again, this was another game people used to get around me. You'd be like, oh, this guy knows everything about this game. I used to play this in junior college. Because of this bad boy, I used to, you know, spend a lot of money. I used to spend a lot of money on this game. And miss on a lot of lessons as well. A lot of lectures. They got rich because, yes, all the ports they got, they made them, they were funded by me. But I used to spend so much money on this, I'm not even kidding.
Super grenade.
I got really good at the arcade, not practicing at home or anything like that. It's because I played it so much. And I skipped so many lessons because of this game. I'm gonna take the lower routes. I know some tricks here. And bye. Because that counts as one of those hippies that you rescues. You know these hippies up here? Those people with the backpack, they count as rescuing one, and they give you something. Whoa, big! Now I'm fat. Witness the power of fatness. 'Cause I'm fat. I'm fat. Whoa, big! Now there's piranhas, they're gonna attack me.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, here we go. Do you guys play any of these games? Do you love playing these retro arcade games? Oh man, if I could buy one of these arcade machines, I'll have one in my room, my gaming room. I really wish I could. There's nowhere to buy one here in Malt, I think. There's no way, if anybody knows of somebody. Help me, please! Come on, machine gun! No, I didn't grab it. By the way, I didn't lose one life. I made it this far, and I didn't lose one life! And he's gonna say I'm great! Shane has Mario Kart arcade with seats. Oh man, no, I don't want one of those with the seats and with the steering wheel. I don't want those. I don't want those. I want an actual one with the stick. You know.
You're great.
I know.
Mission complete.
Now this is when in Metal Slug history, Metal Slug turned from a war game to a Resident Evil game. Look at this. Those are the scientists running away. Something's going on. Afterburner. No, I don't remember it. I was never into fighting or racing games actually. So these are the zombies. If you get hit with the throw up, you become a zombie as well. You see they're throwing up in their hands and then throwing away. If you get hit by that sand or whatever, throw up, whatever it is, you become one of them. So I don't want to become a zombie. Look at them, they're gonna turn, look.
Okay.
So let me tell you some stories about the arcade machines. I used to go to every Saturday. We used to go to Valletta, the capital city of Malta, and there used to be a lot of arcade games next to Burger King. We used to just hang out there and play Mortal Kombat. Was there a Metal Slug? I'm not so sure. There was a Tekken for sure, but there was a Mortal Kombat, and I was good at playing Scorpion. We're gonna get to that game, don't worry. Enemy Chaser. But yeah, I used to play video games. No! Oh, that was so cheap. That was a cheap death, I'm sorry. Yes, I have a perfect rotation with Scorpion as well. I'm gonna show you when I get to Mortal Kombat, don't worry. I think Mortal Kombat is next because I'm playing alphabetical, so... I'm playing in alphabetical, so I think after ME, I think I'm always next on the arcade list. So I'm gonna show you my tactic with
rocket launcher.
So I used to play Mortal Kombat again in the arcade, and there used to be so many kids and guys, and I used to call them grown-up because they looked like adults compared to me. They looked like adults, and they used to gather around me, and it was so cool having adults looking at you when I was a kid. They're like, look at this guy, he's so good. There were times when you get so far, but knowing that I only had like one. Whoa, no! God dang it! I'm a zombie now. And at the bowling alley, yes, this is where I got really good at the game as well, bowling alley. Yes, at the bowling alley as well. There was Metal Slug 3 there. I used to play it every Saturday before going to Pacheville. Man, this game, man. I used to put in 50 cents, I used to finish the game with 50 cents. Because one credit cost 10 cents, I used to put 50 in and I used to finish the game with 50 cents. No! With guns, we had, alright, we got this. With guns, we had Terminator back in the day, Judgment Day. We had House of the Dead, Time Crisis. I love Time Crisis. Beep, beep, action. Remember that? Reloading. Reloading? Did you say reloading? Yes, I think so. Reloading. I could get it, but I don't have the gun here, so I can only play with the controller. And yes, I know what we're all thinking at the boss fight, what's behind what I'm shooting at right now. I know what we're all thinking, what it looks like. I'm saying it before you do, Inferno, alright? A Panos. It looks like a Panos, okay? I get it. I had Time Crisis on the PS2, but I don't know what happened to it. Uh-oh. Gimme! A Panos. You know, one of those things. Wee. Tra-la-la. Oh man, I didn't do well in this stage. I could have done better.
Mission complete.
So back in the day, getting to mission 3 on 1 credit, people would be like, whoa, dude, look at this guy. And knowing that I only had 1 credit, knowing that only one, some guys would actually put a credit in for me to keep watching me play. Yeah, that was back in the day. That was the streaming. That was like the streaming. People would be watching you while playing, and some of them would actually donate, put some money in your, so they can actually keep watching you play. It's true. It was the early version of streaming. People watching you play and actually contributing financially to keep watching you play. That was amazing, wasn't it, when you think about it? It was like the early days of vloggy streams. Amazing. I know there's a secret here somewhere. Let's see. Like this? I knew it! I think there's another one here. Oh crap, never mind. You used to wait for them? Well, I mean, you lived there, so you lived close by, so you could... I used to go on Saturdays, you know, get the bus. Before we go to Parcheville back in the day, before we go clubbing. But when at the time I used to have many people watching, this was at junior college. I used to play this at junior college, and I used to have so many people watching me at junior college. Like, check out these guys! I used to play me and another. Me and some guy called Mark. Alright, let's go. You see, I don't need Mark. Look how far I got without Mark. Huh? 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 Take that, Mark. Yeah, when I say I used to put 50 cents in and I finished the game, 50 cents myself and 50 cents Mark, huh? So that's one whole lira back in the day. 1, 2, kamikaze! Did you see that, huh? Alright, let's go. Oh, I still love doing this, like... I'm coming, slowly. Bloop, 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 bloop. Street Fighter 2, I'm gonna get to Street Fighter 2. I'm gonna show you how much I suck in that game. I'm gonna show you how much I suck in that game. Very soon. We're gonna get to it. I'm playing the games in alphabetical order. I wasn't good at Street Fighter. I can't pull off a Hadouken. I don't know why. We used to call it Nofs Amar, like half a moon, and punch, I think. That's how you used to do it. But I still can't pull it off. I don't know why.
Thank you. Okay.
I shop outside school. Ah, that was awesome. Having one of those games in school. I loved like arcade machines. Back in the day, like back in the 90s, even restaurants had video games, you know? And I used to tell my parents, like, if we're gonna go eat outside having a pizza or at a restaurant, please make sure it has video games. And my dad used to say, like, no. He's like, because you're gonna keep begging me for 10 cents every single time. And I used to go, he's like, here's 10 cents, don't bug me again. I used to go, and I used to get my money's worth out of that 10 cents. I kid you not. Like, look at this. If I put 10 cents in, I'm still playing. Look how far I got with 10 cents. And then when I die, I used to go back to my dad, like half an hour later or 20 minutes later, like, Dad, I need another 10 cents. No, I died! God dang it! No! No! Alright, so I died. I said 1 credit per game, so I'm not gonna. Next time I'll do 2 credits per game, but this time just 1 credit. Na, na, na. And we used to make sure that nobody continues after me. I used to make sure that, you know, the timer runs down to 0 before I leave the game, because some people would actually continue from where you left off. I'm like, no, they're gonna take my glory. So before I leave, I used to make sure that the counter reaches 0 before I actually let go of the controller. It was such a butthole back in the day. Alright, moving on. Mortal Kombat is next. Alright, I'm going to show off my skills at Mortal Kombat. I was very good with Scorpion, so that's the character I'm going to go with. Let's see. Let's give it a second. Alright, this one has to do the ROM checks. I think it's just a gimmick. I don't think there's such thing, to be honest with you. But you have to wait. You have to wait for this to complete. I used to be fascinated by these screens before the game starts. Because there were some arcade machines, very rarely, you switch them off and back on, it would give you like a free credit as a test or something. And we used to switch them off and back on every single time to see if it would give us a free credit. I used to see these screens all the time. There we go. Midway presents. Da-da-da! Ah man, the nostalgia. Boom, right in my face. Alright, I'm gonna put in 1 credit. Let's see how far I can get. Alright, I pressed start. 2 credits to start. Yeah, it required 2 credits. That's amazing. You see, I put in 1 credit and nothing happened. I'm pressing start, but nothing happened. I put in 1 credit, but it does say you need to put in 2 credits to start. Look at this. You see, 2 credits to start, 2 credits to continue. Amazing. 1 credit, 2 credits gives you 1 credit, equals 1 coin. That's so cheap. Anyway, these were the characters back in the day. We only had 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 characters back in the day. Scorpion. Alright, let me see if I remember how to pull these off now. I would be lucky if I reached mirror match back in the day. I don't know if I can do that again. Fight! Let's see if I can pull this off. Crap, 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 crap! Which one is kick? Alright, there we go. Alright, that's not what I had in mind. I don't know, I did it, but that's not my strategy. I'm sorry, I'm gonna try again. It's not working, I don't know why it's... Alright, block and stay up. Okay, there we go. Yes!
Scorpion win. Flawless victory. Fatality.
Fatality. Alright, that's not what I had in mind though. I cannot shoot the... I cannot shoot the frickin'... I don't know why it's not working. Why is it not working though? Why is it not working? There we go. Now we're talking. This is my strategy. This is how I do it. You see? That's how I do it. That's my strategy. You pull him over, uppercut, jump back, and then kick him. I'm gonna try again. Whoopsie. Let's try again. Ugh. Let's try again, try again, try again, try again. Wait, this guy's giving me a hard time now. There we go. Then 1 back, 1 forward, boom. Oh, okay, crap. No, 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 no! Oh, nice try, sucker. Ooh, nice. After I'm gonna do this on. Okay, Inferno. You're gonna listen to me while you shower. You wash your tra-la-la. Get over here, sucker. That's how I do it.
Scorpion wins.
That's not what I had in mind. But okay. Sonia. Let's see how far I can get. Get over here, babe. Alright. Yes, not too long ago I actually watched the video how they did it. I saw the actor posing in the same outfit and everything, and they were taking screenshots of him doing the poses. I saw it recently. I'll try to tweet it because it was awesome. This is my strategy anyway. Pulling them close to me, and then when they come close. Alright, no, that's not good. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. There we go, you're done for. Finish her, block and 2 up. No, block and 2 up. There we go. Hup. I love it.
Scorpion wins. Fatality.
Alright.
Test your might.
Not sure how this is done. Nope. I need to power up first. Sorry. I failed. I'm sorry. Oh man, I want to do the finishing on this one. Oh, come on, man. were so impressed back in the day with these graphics. It was impressive. Nice. Hey, Big Boss, welcome. Test your might. I pressed the wrong button, actually. I was trying to do the, you know, he charges his energy, but I don't know, I didn't do it properly. I failed in front of Big Boss. That's not good. Did you see that? They neutralized each other? No, 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 no. Okay, I'm gonna fail in front of Big Boss. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Come on, do it now. Do it now. Uh-oh, uh-oh. No, I lost. Did I? Did I lose? No, okay, come on, we can do this. Nope. I'm not gonna mess up the controls again. Come on. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Whoa, this guy is defending! Dude! No! Look at this guy! Alright, come on, come on. No! Look at this, look at this! Ah, look at this! Look at that. Those are faces of creators, by the way, of the game. Those faces that you see down there are the faces of creators of the game. I kid you not. You know, like when you get the Toasty! I think Toasty is in Mortal Kombat 2, though. It's not this one. Toasty! Okay, so I lost. I lost. Look at those eyes. They're hungry. It's a Mortal Kombat 3? Alright, there we go. Alright, so we're done with this one. I'm doing 1 credit for every single, you know, game that I wasted a lot of money on. Let's see, I wanted to see how far I get. Oh, this game! Do you remember this game, Cheer? Oh man, this game. I used to put a lot of money in this game as well. 1 credit, here we go. Let's see how far I can get with this game. Oh man, this game. Let's see if I can pull this off. It's easy right now because you have the aim. Can I pull this off? Yes, I can. Because I have the aim, though. It starts off easy. You don't remember this game? Hey, Nick! Vloggy Combat! Sorry, I had to stop it, but because I promised myself I'll only do... Let's see, like this. There we go, boom. There we go. So far, so good. How is everyone doing today? On this fine Sunday? Like this, and this, and this, and this. There we go. It's not one of my favorite games, but I spent a lot of money on this game, so it has to be in the list. It has to be in the list. I have to play it. Oh crap! Did you see that? Did you see how you fail? Huh? Oh no. Oh no. Alright. Uh-oh. There we go. So you don't remember this game, Cheer? I don't know. I thought it would be something that you've played in your days. I love this game. I mean, I used to love it, but it's not my thing anymore. I'm not a big fan of puzzle games. I think this was one game that I was able to put up with. Can I do this? Can I do this? Can I do this? 1, 2. Oh! Alright, kind of. There we go. The original Bubble Bobble. Yes. But I prefer this one. I don't know why. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. Like this. And then. Like this. And this. And this. And this. Can I do this? Yes! There we go, I'm so good. I'm so good, guys. Please, guys, don't try not to get too impressed with my gaming skills, okay? It's just that. Alright. Can we do this? Yeah, baby. I just realized, what the heck is going on? That's not the same color. I thought it was the same color. There we go. Come on, give me green. Now give me yellow. Oh, come on, dude. Oh no, what am I doing? No, what am I doing? There we go. No! There we go. Whew. I didn't see her tries to fake. No, it's just the layout. It's just the layout, buddy. It's just the layout. I wish I had an actual arcade machine like these. Oh. Doesn't look good. It's not looking... Okay, it's good now. We're good. Alright, so... Can I pull this off? No. Let's try this. Can I pull this off? Nope. Come on, do it. Oh no! Yes! Haha! Can you get this on PC? Yes, I'm playing these on PC. It's an emulator. It's MAME. It's the Maltese arcade. I don't know. I'm making up the words. I don't know, but it's the MAME emulator. It's called. We're almost there. No. Okay. Yes, MAME. M-A-M-A. M-A-M-E. I cannot even spell. If I can do this... Yeah, there we go. No, why you do this to me, game? Oh, this is so cheap. Come on. There we go. There we go. Wow, that was... Okay, there we go. Whew. So... What level am I on right now? Doesn't say. Round 7. There we go. And the music is like so catchy. Orange ones, red ones. My sister would love this game. My 9-year-old sister would love this. I should introduce her to gaming. My mom won't let me. There we go. Can we pull this off? No! Oh man, that was bad. Uh-oh, that's not good. That's not good either. Oh man. Oh man! Stop doing this to me, game! There we go. Whew. The arcade version of Super Mario... I do have a Super Mario Brothers in the list. I don't know if it's the one you're asking. Is Super Mario Brothers 2 or like the first one? Now then. Can I put this over here? No. No, you can't, Vloggy. Nope, 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 nope. I'm gonna die. This is the end of me. I refuse. And sometimes back in my day, we used to go to at a restaurant, and this would be the game that they have. Like, man, better than nothing. And it's to play this. Oh man, as long as it's a game, you know. Oh crap! I made a boo boo. Another boo boo. I put this over here and this over here. Okay, stay there. Stay there. Oh man, I'm not getting any balloons. I'm not getting any good colors. Oh no, I'm so dead. I am so dead. Why can't I get the green one? Oh man, no green ones. Okay, come on, we got a green one now, but I need the blue one now. Oh man! Give me a green one! Oh! Damn it. Rip. I've tried to stream editors with OBS, but I don't know how it works, because every time I think I've done it, it lags. Does it lag? Interesting. No, it doesn't lag for me. But again, I don't know. Maybe because I have a super computer. I don't know. Sounds like the mermaid music. Alright, so we're done with this game. I'm glad, because this is not what I'm streaming about. Oh, you guys remember this? Splatterhouse? Again, this arcade machine was at a beach. Oh, man. Has anyone ever played Splatterhouse? Who made it? Was it Namco? Not so sure. Man, Splatterhouse was so violent and so gory. Namco Namco did this game. Oh man, Namco. 1988. I was 3 years old when this game came out. Do you guys remember this game? Oh my goodness. So basically, his wife gets kidnapped or something. Yeah, that's the guy who looks like yes, he is the Jason mask. Yes, but the mask gives him like some superpowers, the ability to rescue his wife. All right, I'm gonna put the credit in 1, and that's it. Let's go. This is the mask. His wife gets kidnapped, and he goes unconscious, and this mask possesses him, gives him superhuman strength to help him get his wife back, kind of. So now he has to go through hell or something to get his wife back. Now how do I grab this? Alright, here we go. We cut them in half. Pwah! Pwah! Man, this game. You want some of this? Hang on, I need to wait for this to go away. I think it was on TurboGrafx. You have it? You used to have a TurboGrafx? Oh man, that's a rare console nowadays, huh? So hold on to that. You can beat this game. No, I could never beat this game. Yes, as I was saying, this game was... Oh, crap. So this game was at a beach. There was like a garage, and they turned it into a games room. No, no, no! God dang it. I'm not gonna pick that up. Because this one actually cuts them in half. Okay, his head is gonna come back. There we go. Alright. This is that stuff on the right hand side. On the left hand side is to make you keep going. Alright, this is hard. This is hard. This is really hard. Oh, come on, I died already? Dude! This is not easy. This is not easy. Wow, this game. It's so hard turning around while crouching. Now this guy's gonna attack as well. There we go. We're done. Whew. Stand in left corner. I should have done that. Yeah. Ah, man. This game. Did you know they actually made a remake, but it flopped? They made a remake of this game for the PlayStation 3 back in the day, and it flopped. I was gonna get it, and the reviews were so ass. I saw gameplay. I'm like, oh, man. Let's keep going. Let's see how far I can get. What's that over there? Alright, it's nothing. It's just a projectile. Let's keep going. Oh, this guy's gonna come back. There we go. Yeah, this was at the beach, basically. This arcade was at the beach. I remember playing it at the beach. There was a lot of controversy surrounding this game because not just the gore was one thing, but there's a lot of religious references as well, like certain crosses, a place that looks like a church, so they had to change a few things when they ported this game to different consoles. But this game was amazing. Splatterhouse. Back in the day, this was like a very scary game, you know? Nowadays it's like, meh, it's alright. Oop, I fell off. Atari Jaguar, I don't remember it because I never had one and I don't know anyone who had one, but of course, I mean, I watched the Angry Video Game Nerd. Seems like I have to keep walking here. Oh, it's water, guys. The farthest I ever got in the arcade. Oh, crap. Do you have to jump it? Yeah, you do. There was a part where you had to, there was like mirrors, you were walked in front of mirrors. Oh man, seriously dude? There was like mirrors. Crap. I lost my weapon. Ah, crap, I lost my weapon. So you walk in front of mirrors and you get your reflection, and some of your reflections actually come to life. This is my last life, I think. Most of this game is like trial and error. You have to know what you need to do. That's all. Is it this game or Splatterhouse 2 with the mirrors? Crap! I lost my weapon. There we go, because it was on the water. Ah, crap! I lost my weapon again! Crap, whatever. Oh man, really? Oh man! You have to save Jennifer. I think Jennifer... This one has the mirrors. Yeah, I remember that. I used to get to a part with the mirrors. And then the mirror would... Ah, never mind. Alright, so this is as far as I got in this game. No. Alright. One of these days I'm gonna do another stream where I have to beat all of them. Today I'm just revisiting my classics with just one credit, basically. This is not one of the good games, the games that I used to be good at. What's next? Street Fighter 2. Where's Kevin? Here it is. Here it is. I wasn't very good at Street Fighter, to be honest with you. Rip Jennifer. And Rip... What was his name? One credit. Let's see how far I can get. I'm not gonna get very far. I can't even pull off a Hadouken. Pfft. I used to play as Ryu back in the day. I'm gonna suck. Worse than Mortal Kombat, I think. Oh! Oh man. No, step out of it! Okay, I don't know how I did that. I don't know how I did that either. Hadouken! I don't know how I'm doing it. I don't know how I did it. I'm just mashing buttons. Why would you buy another game? Why would you buy this game again for the Switch and whatever? I mean, look, I didn't buy it right now. Why would you pay? Oh man. Ah, now I remember why I used to choose Blanca back in the day. Ah, okay. Because the first time I used to play, it's like stand in the corner, just electrocute myself so that I, whenever they touch me. Believe it or not, I still don't know how to pull it off. I'm doing it, but I don't know how. Keep doing it! Come on, put it off! Alright, man, I come. Look at my health! Oh, man. That should be your next stream idea. What? What my next stream idea? You must defeat Shang Long to stand a chance. Who's Shang Long? Ah, man. USA! I was never good at fighting games though. Never, never, never. Button mashing games. Oh, that song! I used to think he said Alex who? Alex who? Say Alex who? Alex who? Alex who? Look at that. Alex who? Oh, stop Alex whoing. Ooh, he's jumping it. Man, my fingers. Oh, whoa, whoa, I thought I died. Time over. Sucker! That was awesome. At one point I thought I defeated him. Look at the health bar. And I stopped fighting. I was just reading chat. This music is amazing. Hadouken! Sure you can! Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Okay, no, 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 I can't lose. Yes! I don't think I ever made it this far on the emulator when I was testing it. But back in the day I used to get to a point where I used to destroy a car. You have like a time limit and you have to destroy the car. You must defeat Shang Long to stand a chance, or otherwise I'll break your nose and jaw and your cheekbone apparently. Japan! E-Honda. I think I can take down Honda. Do you guys ever see the parody of in Family Guy where he fights in this? Oh, oh, careful now, buddy, careful now, buddy. If he does the hand thing, I'm done for. Stand back, sucker. That's the hand thing. If he catches me with that hand thing. Nice. Come on, do another one, do another Hadouken! No? Okay. Oh, oops, 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 oops. Come on, you got this! Oh no! Come on, you got this! Come on, one more Hadouken! No! Come on, dude! There's no more arcades here in my country, nothing, they're gone, they disappeared after the 90s, nothing. I don't even know where all the arcade games went. Oh my! Rip! That's far. Ah, man, I destroyed my fingers bashing this one. Ah, mashing the buttons on this one. Whew. Can't do better than that, wrecked. I know, right? Well, these arcades are sweet. Oh, okay, okay. Man, I wish we could get these back. I miss arcades. I would spend a lot of money. I would do a stream playing arcade games like in real life. Alright, let's go. Next game. Come on, a game that I'm good at. Do you guys remember this one? Oh man, I'm not really good at this one either, but still, I spent money playing this. I wasn't really good at it, but I did spend money on it. Winner don't use drugs. You remember these screens? All arcade games.
Pizza power!
Listen to that music. Only cost that. Oh wow, that was awesome. No, that would. Personally, I think you would lose some of the experience of putting in a coin to continue. I don't. Personally, I would think. Pizza power, it's called. Alright, let's put in 1 credit and let's see how far we can get.
Let's kick shell!
Alright, you cannot choose characters. Because I'm player 1, I'm gonna have to be Leonardo, whether I like it or not, so, okay.
This is April and Leo recording.
It's Krang!
Hey, Krang! Bring that statue back, you bloated beanbag!
You bloated beanbag! Attack! Oh man, this game. They made the remake for this game back in 2009 for the PlayStation. It was called Turtles in Time Reshelled. Was it Turtles in Time? Yeah, I think so. Reshelled. And I got it on. It was only on PSN. Whoops. It was only on PSN. Wow, I'm not doing very well. I already lost a life. My goodness. Anyway, I downloaded it. You know what? Come over here. I downloaded it, but then I lost my account, and they removed the game from the store. Yes, they did a very good job porting this game. Pizza time! They did a very good job porting this on the NES, yes. Nice! Yeah, I love the animated series as well.
Prepare to die!
No, he's gonna shoot laser. Anyway, so they removed the remake of this game from the PSN store because their license expired or something like that, and we never got to get the game again. Hurry. Revelation on the Switch. You know I got Revelations 1 on the Nintendo 3DS? I just got it recently. I'm gonna be streaming it from the 3DS. It's gonna be amazing. You know, there's some 3DS gimmicks with the touch and everything. It's gonna be amazing. I got it. I need to stream it very soon. This would be awesome in 4 players.
Oh, shell shock!
Oh, already? I didn't even make it to the boss, man. I sucked. Oh man. I still love the animated series, yes. Not the animated series these days. They look so bad. Oh man. Alright, moving on. What's the next game? King of Dragons. This was by Capcom. This is another this is another IP by Capcom, and they've never done anything about it. Man, this game was so good. King of Dragons. Does anybody know about this game in chat? Anyone? Anybody? King of Dragons. This was by Capcom. One of the early days. Capcom 1991. Let's insert a coin. This game was so good. Man, I used to play this every Saturday morning. Again, lots of coins. We used to call this game Whoa because he goes Whoa! Let's go. I still love the archer. And I still do. Yes, they were hard, but there was a purpose why they were hard, because obviously, you know, they want to make you spend a lot of coins on them, you know? Let's see how far I can get with one coin. Oh, ouch. Got damaged. That's a lot of damage. Oh, I'm almost dead. I need some health. Yes, please, apple. Alright, here we go. Let's see if we can do this. This is the boss fight. Oh. Ah, god dang it. Where's the quote from? That's a lot of damage. Remind me and I'll send you a video. That's a lot of damage. I'll send you the video. Does anybody know in chat where I got that from? That's a lot of damage. Now I'm gonna upgrade my my bow and arrow. Level 2. Whoa! That's what we used to call this game. Whoa! Everybody's gonna turn into frogs the moment I hit this. Do it now! Everybody's a frog now. Bye, have a great time. Ooh, I need to shoot this guy. He dropped stuff. He did. He did! You, come over here. Crap. Alright, this I'm gonna hold on to. Oh, what happens if I... Nothing. Alright. Shower done. Do you remember this game, Inferno? There was one in Valletta, in Savoy. Remember it? Ah, man, this game. Watch out. If he gets me, I'm done for. Come on, 2 more health bar. 2 more damage. 3 more damage, sorry. Alright, 2. That's 1. Alright, almost there. Okay. And rip! Similar to Golden X, but this is so much better than Golden X. It used to remind me. Okay, Inferno, no problem. Thanks so much for hanging out, buddy. And now I upgraded my bow. Oh, Inferno. Everybody froggy. Yeah, it used to remind me of Golden Axe, like I said, but nowadays, now that I have played both, this is so much better. Level up. I leveled up. Apparently. My goodness, so many people. Can I just keep walking? Looks like it. Oh, nice. I restored some of my health. That's good. I don't want to use this. If I shoot it, it will turn into... Now! Oh, that wasn't a lot of damage. If I get burned, it will be the same animation of when the Street Fighter burning character. That one. That one. Oh, I died? Really, dude? Already? My credits are finished? No. I really want to continue playing this, but I said 1 credit per game. So let's keep moving. Oh man. That's okay. That's okay. Alright, next game. New Zealand story. Oh man, this game was so cute. It's stupid. It's very stupid. It's a very stupid concept, but it was so cute. Oh man, I want to show you guys. Hey V4, welcome. This game is very stupid, but it's so cute. Look at this. Check out the concept of this game. I want to show you the cutscene. Taito. You never hear of Taito anymore these days. I don't know what happened to them. Let me put 1 credit in. I don't know why it's called the New Zealand story. I don't know, but I'm gonna show you. You play as this little chick. Look at the cutscene. One of them escapes and he's like, I have to get my brothers back. So this is it. It's like the archer chick. So cute. I put a lot of money into this game as well, so I have to play it. Since I... Uh-oh, hold on. How do I do this? You have to rescue your buddies from here. There we go. That's the first one. Still half asleep? Wake up, V4! This is your morning show. This is your breakfast show. Na, 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 na. Now, if I can take one of these guys over here, I can fly on. Fly, fly, buddy, fly! Fly, fly. No! Beep, 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 beep. That's how he dies. He goes beep, 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 beep. I used to get to the boss fight back in the day at this one, but I don't know if I'm gonna make it. It was so hard. I should host a radio show. Good morning with Lucky Buddy. Now we're in Auckland, apparently. I'm gonna take this, and we keep flying. Are you leaving? I gotta go, be back there. Okay, no problem, buddy. No problem. But before you go, what? Pants. Now, how do I get here? I need to get to the other side. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I can't get shot. There's so many of them. Come on, come on, come on. He's so cute with the goggles. Alright, let's go. We got this, we got this. Help me! There we go, 2. 2 down. It's a very hard game though, huh? Oh, I like the clock. Everything freezes. How do I get here? Seems like I'm gonna need one of these. Ah, there we go. Oh, this is awesome! Oh, nice. Do I get to keep this weapon next stage? Alright, there's the signs over there. I need to go there. Come on, chick one nugget. Come on, come on, you got this. Yes, another one. This is the boss fight. I remember getting this far. The whale. Now the whale is gonna swallow me. I have to be careful. The whale will swallow me. Yeah, I cannot let the whale swallow me. If the whale swallow me, there will be a level inside the whale. Don't be swallowed! How am I gonna get to... How am I gonna do it now? I don't think I'm doing any more damage. I don't think I'm doing damage. I think I need to be swallowed, by the way. Yeah, I do need to be swallowed. Ah, man. There's something that needs to be done here. V4. You don't know nothing. What do you know about that? What do you know about that? No, 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 no. I think I need to be swallowed. Come on, swallow me. I think it's part of the game. Alright, that's it. That's it? Alright, wow! I never beat that whale. Back in the day, I used to get swallowed. I'm like, what do I do now? Alright, so I've never made it this far. How was I supposed to know that I need to get swallowed by the whale? You know more than me, I'm sure you do. Oh, V4. No, 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 no! Oh, okay, I died. Meow, 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 meow. This was cute. This was cute, but it's not one of the games that I was really good at. Oh, you guys remember this for sure. I'm sure you guys remember this. For sure. I'm not gonna get far, though. I'm not gonna get very far. How cool. Sorry. El Barto, the Bartman. Oh, sorry, I need to watch the cutscene. Yellow! No! This game was so well made. Konami again. Konami strikes again. Hold on. Let's put 1 credit in and we'll see how far we can get with 1 credit. Again, I cannot switch characters because 1 controller was assigned for every character. So if you're playing as player 1, you have to be Marge. No! Kinda like Double Dragon, kinda like Turtles, kinda like all of the games back in the day. X-Men. Maggie! No! Downtown Springfield. This came out on the Xbox Arcade back in the day, but again, it was like temporary license. Oh no, 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 no! Visuals with the vacuum cleaner, it's so funny. This fat guy. Ah, crap, that was a missed shot right there. There we go. Oh, wow! Oh, they can actually get on the car, interesting. Vloggy Marge. Oh no. Is this a boss fight? No, it's not the boss fight, is it? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh! I think there's an apple here. There we go. Look out, world! There we go. Boss fight, I think. No?
Look out, world!
Nice! Oh, wow. Wow, ah, no pants! Yeah, that's my boy! Ah, crap. 1 life down. Kinda like mine, V4. Kinda like mine. That's what I wear. Mine are this lovely purple like that. No, I died! No, that's it? Oh, man. You see how hard they used to make these games so you keep putting in more money? Ah, man. Come on, game. Come on. I wanted to play more. But I wanted to play more. Oh, dude, I suck. Next game. Oh, let's see how far I can get with this one. Yeah, there was an arcade version of this one. I remember one in one particular bar we used to go in. So I put 1 credit in again. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna do good at this one for sure. I'm sure everybody knows the secrets here. I'm not gonna teach anybody anything here. I'm sure. Unless... No, seriously, I thought there was a... There we go. Did you guys know about that one? I'm sure you did. What about here? What's this? What's this? I forgot about this one. Aha! I'm sure there was a star here somewhere. I almost jumped over the flag whilst on the power of the star. That's how far I can get with just one. I don't, I'm too young. Shut up, if you're not. You're an old lady. Should I make another glass of wine? I'm wondering. Mario 60. No, I wasn't really a big fan of Mario 64, to be honest with you. Probably the only person in the world that's not a fan of Mario 64. I don't know. I thought the camera was very weird and stuff. I don't know. The camera was the. Come on! And again, I was always a fan of. Seriously, dude, not gonna do this? Ah, well. I knew all the secrets in this game. Like the one over here. Okay, not this one. Not here. I'm sure there was one. No! God dang it! Ah, that's gonna get in the way of my plans. Look at this one. Look at this one, guys. Look at this one. How am I gonna get it? How am I gonna get it? I need to get to it. It's up there. How am I gonna get to it? I need the mushroom. No! 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 God dang it. I'm trying to show off right now. I'm trying to show off, and that's what happens when you show off. I'm done showing off. I'm done showing off, okay? I'm done showing off. No, 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 no! Oh my goodness! I'm failing at Mario. Let's see. I'm so stupid. I'm so no, 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 no! Oh, come on! I'm not enjoying this game. I'm not doing it on purpose. I kid you not. I'm not doing this on purpose. What the thing is, I got really demotivated after losing my power. I'm not really doing that on purpose. I kid you not. So stupid. Whew! I don't know how I did that. Alright, let's go. What the heck? No! No! How is there two missing pieces here? This wasn't like that in the game I used to play. Oh, I fell! How am I gonna do? Never mind. God dang it! I'm gonna have to go through now. I'm not enjoying this. I'm sorry. I'm not enjoying this. Do you want to see me good at a game? Here's one. Oh man, I used to spend so much money on this game. I'm gonna show you how far I can get with just one credit. Hold on. Let's move this to the side real quick, like this. Oh, stupid! No! Like this. Here we go. Here we go. Let me show you how good I am at this game. Has anybody ever played this? Has anybody ever played this game? This is by Sega. I always believed that this guy should have been the mascot, not Sonic. God dang it. No, this guy's called Master Higgins. The game is called Wonder Boy. Yeah, you weren't like 4, you were like 14 probably. I want this. There we go. I need to be careful. I can do this. Let's see how far I can get with just 1 credit. This was one of those games, again, that people used to get around me. Like, whoa, check out this guy, he's made it so far. Come on. The skateboard's very, very, very uncomfortable because you can't stop with the skateboard. Oh yeah, V4, I'd love to see you try. Yeah, I used to do so well. Yeah, those were my early streaming days. People would watch me play, and some of them would even donate by putting 10 cents in for me so that I could continue playing and they could keep watching me. I kid you not. I'm about to get an extra life, I think. Yeah, baby! Purple Vloggy, because of my underwear, though. Let's see, am I gonna get... Yeah, an extra life. Boom! This is a very hard game, by the way, huh? Don't you think it's easy? You make it look easy. I used to spend so much money on this game. Whoa. Here we go. You wouldn't, V4. You love me. Ghosts and Goblins, yes. I played it earlier. Man, it was so hard. I spent so much money on that one as well. That's a bad egg. I'm so good! I am so good! Boom! Yeah, it was very tough. I was saying earlier, I used to play Ghosts and Goblins so much. One time I was playing it and the guy had to empty the machine from the coins, and he's like, sorry dude, and he switches off my game. I'm like, oh no! And then when he was done, no! God dang it. And then when he was done emptying the machine, he put in like 15 credits in for me. 15 credits! I'm like, dude, I'm gonna finish the game with 15 credits. Nope, I made it to level 2. Ghosts and Goblins are. One of these days I want to play it and finish it. I haven't lost one life yet. I need to keep this up. No, 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 no! Wow, those frogs, man. No, no! Oh, that was bad. I need to keep having fruit because my health keeps going down. No, 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 no. It's funny though, because when you go to the end, you have to beat the second time. Yeah, I know, right? I never beat the game. I mean, I saw Angry Video Game Nerds beating it. Okay, it's boss fight. Boss fight, boss fight. Here we go. You gotta shoot the head. Shoot the head. Shoot him in the head. And there we go. Yeah, the Red Devils were the worst, yes. Let's go. Let's go. If I can get a skateboard, I can speedrun through the whole thing again. Again, people at this point would be like, whoa, this guy made it so far. You see at the top I managed to collect like the necklace, the heart necklace. People would be like, whoa, this guy's already got the heart necklace and he hasn't lost a life yet. It was so good back in the day. That was so good. That was a good vloggy. No! Oh, that was close. That was close. What's this? Okay. Let's go. Ah, crap. I missed those. Boom! Whoa. Oh, I got another life! Can you destroy the rocks? No, you can't destroy the rocks now. No! God dang it, that was so cheap! Ah, what a cheap way to die. Alright, now the thing is, because I died... Ah! Because I died, I don't have the axe, so I need to find it again. Right now I cannot shoot. I need to dodge the enemies. No! 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 Oh, man. I got 2 lives for nothing! Oh, man. Need to be careful. I can't believe it. That's it. I lose once and that's it. I lose my tempo. You see, I cannot destroy the... I don't have an axe now. So I'm gonna have to wait for him to walk, so he makes enough room for me to jump to the other side. What can you do? What can you do? There we go, we got the axe again. Boom. That was close. Wow, that was close, huh? I'm only on 1 life now. But hey, I'm getting far with just 1 credit, okay? Back in my day, people used to gather around the machine and would be like, oh, look, check out this dude on 1 credit. Look how far he's getting. Ah! You see, you cannot destroy the rocks, look. Scary stuff! Wow. Slow down, Vloggy, you want to break your... You're so funny. Actually, my wrist is hurting. I don't know why. My right wrist. It's been hurting a lot. Ah! Okay, here we go. Whoa! Whoa, man, that rock at the end scared me. Ah. boulder. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I can't afford to die. Come on, give me something good. Alright. Just 2 people. What do you mean 2 people? Whew, that was close. What do you mean just 2 people? I'm not sure what you mean, V4. Not sure what you mean. I don't get you kids. There's another cave now. Next stage is... Come on, give me another live game. Kenneth and Eve. Funny you said that, actually. I used to be an actor back in my day, and once we did a parody of Adam and Eve. And Adam was a retard. Ah, man, it was so funny. It was a very funny parody. People wouldn't stop laughing. I'm scared now. I'm scared right now. Ah! Come on, game. Don't kill me, please. Acting. Yes. Come on. Why is it so hard to believe that I was an actor? Funny. I'm a funny guy, man. Skateboard. Come on, get me. Oh, I love me some AVGN. Ah! Ooh, that was close. Whew, did you see that? Come on, give me another life. Come on. Get me. Right, here we go. Wow, I can't believe I'm doing this. Have I ever made it this far? I'm sure I have. But not with just one credit for sure. No, I haven't done this before, I remember. Oh, easy now. Okay. Okay, I can do this. Ah, no! God dang it! Ah, man, I wanted to get that bonus. Ah, now I don't have the axe, so I need to be careful. Run. And oh, this one doesn't jump. Nice one, game. Action 52, I know, right? That was a good one. No, and that's it. That's all she wrote. That's how far I got with 1 credit. Not bad, eh? One of these days I'm gonna stream this game and I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna do 3 hearts because that's how I roll. Do you wish to continue? Before I left the arcade machine, I used to make sure they hit 0 before I leave, so nobody would continue right after, because then he would get the glory, the other person. They would like, oh, look, check out this guy. I'm like, no, I got that far. He's just putting in coins. Acting. Come on. Alright, so I'm gonna play another game. Which game is that gonna be? X-Men. Welcome to die. So this is the last game, actually. Welcome to die. Let's see how far I can get. I don't think I'm gonna get far with this one, but still. Last game. The opening.
X-Men.
Again, I don't think I can choose. Yes, I can! Ooh. I can choose whoever I want to be. Ooh. I was a fan of Cyclops, actually. Cyclops! Do you like him hairy, V4?
The 21st century. Evil mutants led by Magneto aim to destroy the world. Humans can do nothing against the power of the evil mutant. The only hope is Go and save the city.
Sometimes. No. I don't like hair. I don't like hair. I don't like being hairy and I don't like a hairy girl either. I like a clean shave. You know what sucks with this game? If you want to use your laser, he will get damaged for using the laser. That's so cheap. Ooh, that was a good one. Look at me, I own so many games and I'm playing these. That's what I'm thinking. Did I just lose a life? I don't know. Did I? Whoa, 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 whoa. No. No V4, definitely not. I never heard the expression cooch. I don't know anything about cooch. I mean, you know. I love that you can kick them when they're down. Oh no! I always like clean shave personally. But not everyone is the same, right? Oh no. It's Pyro. Ouch. Did I die? Am I rip? Oh wow, okay, that was just one life then, right? Oh, oh. That's not good. I wish there was like a health bar so I could see how far I'm into kicking his butt. Oh, come on, dude. Oh, come on, dude. Oh, I misput my flame. Nice. With my laser. No, just one hit and I'm dead. There we go. No more lives. Rip. Rip. Pyro ripped me into shreds. Which game should I play? Just one last game. Come on. What game would you like to see me play? Just one last game and I'm gonna call it. Which game? Let me just bring up the list. Let me bring up the list. What game would you like to see me play again? Oh, oops. Sorry. I opened it by mistake. Which game would you like to see me play? One last game. Snow Brothers. What's Snow Brothers? I don't have Snow Brothers. I could download it, but I don't think it exists. Snow Brothers. And I mean, preferably a game that I've heard of, you know? Snow Brothers 2. Never heard of it. Never heard of it. These are the games that I have. I mean, I could download anything really, but you got Donkey Kong. Yeah, but it's so lame. These, because I compiled the list of games that I spent a lot of money on back in my day when I was a kid. Yeah. Metal Slug. Which one? First one or third one? This one or this one? This one or this one? This one or this one? These were the games that I used to put a lot of money in. These two. But there's more, huh? The third one was... First one. First one. Let's play some Metal Slug. V4, you were too late. You were too late. Play the first one. I'm better at this. I'm better at this. The third Metal Slug. Ah, really? Let's go. I'm gonna show you how far I can get with just one credit. I'm gonna show you how far I can get with just one credit.
Heavy machine gun. Thank you. machine gun. Lame shot.
Ow!
Thank you. Heavy machine gun.
Hold on, the pointer's distracting me. No! Oh wow, the way I jumped was epic. I was gonna die.
Heavy machine gun. Okay.
This game is epic. Again, I spent a lot of money on this game.
Thank you. Okay.
Even the visuals were fantastic. Is there? I think there's a... There we go.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
There we go.
Rocket launcher.
You're great. No, this one doesn't tell you you're great.
Mission complete.
The only thing I hate about this game is that it doesn't give you extra lives. You know. There's no way of finding any.
Mission start.
Oh no, my hippie got away. Hippie, come back! He took off. And guys, I know I make it look easy, but it's not easy, okay?
Rocket launcher. Rocket launcher. Okay. Thank you. Rocket launcher.
Abandon ship!
Heavy machine gun. Rocket launcher.
Bye, have a great time!
Thank you.
Let's go. So far, no lives. I don't know if I'm actually doing any damage like this. That's a lot of damage. I don't think it's a lot of damage, actually. That's not a lot of... Oh, it's doing damage, actually. Interesting. Come on, give me Metal Slug! There we go.
Thank you.
Ah, I got damaged. Nice. Uh-oh, I'm gonna die! Crap! I cannot die. Yes! No lives. No lives so far. You're not great. Thank you!
Mission.
Thank you!
Mission 3. Start. Heavy machine gun. Thank you.
Okay, I need to conserve ammo right now. Ugh. No! Oh, that is so cheap. Trying to conserve ammo and I still died. And I still lost my gun. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. Oh man. Let's go.
Okay.
No! What the heck is this? Oh, come on, why did he come down faster? Oh, I didn't make it. I did better the first time. You know what, I feel like playing one more time. And that's it, I'm gonna call it after this. One goes to goblins real quick. I still love this game, but I love this game as much as I find it difficult. I put in 1 credit. Let's go. Let's see. I wish I could get the knife, but it's hard to get the knife. You have to waste a lot of time. Are you kidding me? Of course. Of course, there's the fire. Worst weapon. Oh, dude! There's no strategy to kill that devil. There's no strategy to kill that devil. No strategy whatsoever. Oh, come on! Not again! Are you freaking kidding me? And the controls are very stiff. I wouldn't say they're awkward. They're just very stiff. Fire. Always the fire. Always. Wow, it's so hard. It's yeah, you need to get the knife, but what the heck just happened? Did you see that? Did you see that? I was on the floating ledge, and for some reason when it went to the other side, I got stuck again on the main ledge. Ha! Oh my goodness. Let me try one more time. One more time. I'm gonna continue. Oh wow, start from the beginning, so it doesn't even count. Wow. The continue doesn't even count, you see? I wish Capcom did something with this IP. They never did anything with this. There was a remake on the PSP. I got the game, but I never finished it. I barely played it actually. I want to stream it one of these days. Let's see if we can do this again. You son of a biscuit! Oh, it's so hard, man. That devil is so hard. And there's no way. He keeps stalking you around. He keeps following you around. You cannot, like, let me just walk away from the screen and try to avoid him. No, there's no way to do that. You need to get the knife. There's no cheats for the MAME arcade emulator. Oof. Ugh. There's no cheats for the arcade MAME emulator, eh? Are there any cheats? Some Game Shark or something like that? I wish there was. Yeah, the Ghost of... Yeah, I know about that too. It was just as hard, huh? Oh, at least I killed him. Oh, look at that! Nice! I don't know how I did that, but I don't know what happened, but... Okay. Oh, come on, that was so cheap. That's another cheap move right there. No, 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 no! No! Look at that. There was no way for me to jump that. Ooh. What's that? The knife! Now we're talking! Now I'm gonna do a continue after this, so I get to keep the knife. The knife! Look how fast it is! Look how fast it is! Oopsie. That's okay. Boss fight. Here we go. Whew. Man. Now I will do another continue because I have the knife. Let's duck for these guys. Oh, dude, that was cheap. I got another life. Whoa! And what about these guys? Oh, did you see them? They just hang out there. Oh, man. This game. One of these days I'm gonna do a stream dedicated just for this game. Oh, I'm gonna rage so hard. Oh! Oh, that is... Oh, I dropped my controller. That wasn't out of anger. I just dropped my controller. Did my controller just die? Yes, it did. Did it die? Let me see if I can continue. Because I got the knife now. Maybe I can do some progress. Yeah, every single time! Oh my goodness, man. How much I'm gonna rage when I play this game. I'm gonna dedicate a stream just for this. And that's the thing, the monsters keep respawning. It's not like you're gonna destroy them and that's it. They will come back. They will keep coming back. And that's why they did it so hard this game, because so that they... Oh! Hey! Unbelievable. That's why they did it so hard. So I keep putting quarters in, make it keep, you know. I'm not taking the spear. Look at that. Eee! I get angry now. Nostra! It's so cheap. Controls are a bit awkward. Do I start back in the beginning again or not? Let's see. No, at least I have the knife. To find a way to climb that ladder. No! It's so hard. I wanna cry. Goodness, my goodness! Oh, that's it. GG. Done. Bye. Have a great time. Alright, there's another life. Let's try again. Last life. Oh my goodness, man. This game. Testing my patience, huh? Yeah, sure, why not? Not the other side! I'm dead. No! Are you kidding me? They also throw sideways? No. No. Alright, that's it. That's it. I'm gonna go take a nap. I'm exhausted playing video games. I'm gonna go back to the games of my time, not these. Alright, I'm gonna go. Thanks to everyone that stopped by and said hello and, you know, made fun of me. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys sometime next week. I'm gonna be playing some more Dragon Ball and Pokemon. Dragon Ball and Pokemon. And that's it. Dragon Ball and Pokemon next week for sure. Bye, have a great time.